Hey guys, so this is a demo for ApplyToMe AI. We are an advanced candidate and talent sourcing tool. Now there's a ton of talent sourcing tools out there. There's LinkedIn Recruiter, there's Gem, there's Juicebox. All this data is the same. And that's why your job has been so difficult because everyone is fixing their resume based on each job ad. You don't really know who's who, and you have a very limited amount of data. Now what ApplyToMe does at its core is enrich candidate data so that you can make faster, better hiring and recruiting decisions. So this is what our candidate profiles look like on our platform. You can see their name, their role title, their email, phone number, LinkedIn. That's normal. You also see their years of experience cleanly laid out, the number of companies they've worked for, and their graduation year. You get a 1-minute video of the candidate introducing themselves and talking. Demeanor, how someone presents himself, very, very important. You see how active they were available on the platform. Candidates are asked to check in every day. You get to see their salary range, their sponsorship status, their location, and their earliest start date. So this alone right here is going to save you 3-4 hours a day of calling candidates, calling resumes. Hey, are you still looking? Hey, what's your salary range? Hey, do you require sponsorship to work in the United States? Hey, where are you located? Are you open to relocate? All that data is just given to you off the bat. So instead of having to read through 1,000 resumes and call 500 of them, you can very easily just click through all these different profiles and have all this data readily available. You can read around here and see there's other things like software, their role titles, their languages, certifications, ton more stuff here, like the types of companies that they are interested in working at, their interview availability, personal stuff about them, their ideal culture, their work style, and much more. Now, ApplyToMe does two things. You can search our database and find, one, we collect candidates that are looking for work and give them to you in a search function. Search our database and find exactly who you are looking for. And the second function we have is the enrich function, which is where you take the 500 or 1,000 resumes from the job boards that you already posted and you just drag and drop them into here. And in 48 hours, my team will enrich all of those resumes and return to you profiles that look like this. And this is all self-submitted data. So we're contacting the candidate saying, hey, you still looking? This company might be interested in you. Please make an account. We get all of those candidates to make a profile, which looks exactly like this. That way your job is easier, faster, and you're making better hiring decisions. So with the search function, and I'll go over that really quickly. So Ty & Bond is hiring right now for project engineers in 5 years of experience in roadway design, AutoCAD, P license, and Mass DOT experience. So what we're going to do is go into ApplyToMe and type in exactly what we're looking for. Project manager, Massachusetts, CAD, PE license, and Mass DOT. And let's say we want them to make between 90 and 120K. We're gonna hit search. And here are our results. So we have two types of candidates in the search function. We have internal candidates, which are people that have already made an account with us. And we have external, which is sourced from all different types of data providers. Now for this specific role, we don't have exactly who you're looking for already on the platform. What we do have is a sourcing agent. So let's scroll down. Let's find someone in, here we go, Boston, Massachusetts, project manager, civil engineering, Mass DOT, AutoCAD, and he's within the salary range that we are looking for. So what we're gonna do is click source candidate. We're gonna add any other things that we are looking for in our candidate. And then we're going to go to automated sourcing. You hit instantly start search, you check out, which is handled by the company. And our team then goes out and finds exactly who you are looking for. We deliver them to you on the platform. So it takes your entire sourcing process and makes it extremely organized and extremely automated. I have an entire team and AI agents that are doing the outreach, that are finding and contacting these people, bringing them directly to you. The first candidate you'll get that will be interested in a match should be under a week. And we'll continue delivering as many candidates as we get over that 4-week period. So guys, that is ApplyToMe. Our primary focus is good, accurate, in-depth candidate data. That is our primary focus. The way that we deliver that is in 2 ways. One, you can search our existing database and or place a sourcing order where me and my team and my AI agents will reach out to those exact people and bring them to you, enrich their profiles, deliver them to you on a silver platter. And we also have the enrich function where you can take all of the resumes you already have, drag them and drop them in here. We'll contact them and bring them to you with enriched profiles in under 48 hours. So guys, this is going to save you hours and hours a day of calling, of screening, of filtering. It makes recruiting more fun. You can actually know about people, see the human side of them, see them talk, see their hobbies, and you're gonna be able to make faster and better hiring decisions. So thank you guys for considering to use ApplyToMe. I really think it's going to help you, and I strongly recommend using it. And reach out to me for any questions you may have. My email is noah@applytome.ai. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to work together soon.